We're sitting here trying to call in a bear using a calf elk call, and we just had a bull elk come in. It had little nubs on its head. He was curious. It was pretty cool. He stayed for a while, just stared at the call. He's like, what the heck's going on here? It was awesome. All right, just got done with our first call set. Pretty eventful. We're gonna head up here a little further and get on top of this ridge and try to glass the other side and maybe do another set. Stay tuned. Hopefully we call something in, at least a coyote, but it'd be nice to get a bear or a cougar. Excited, babe?
What?
You excited?
Yeah. That was fun to see the elk coming.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome. I guess that's why calling in elk with a call is illegal, because they came running right to it. It was pretty cool. What'd we find?
An antler.
First brown of the year.
Yeah.
First brown elk.
First one I found this year.
Yeah. Walking back to the truck from making some calls, and we thought we might see some because we called in those elk. So go ahead and pick it up, babe.
Okay. I want to get a picture of it.
I'll get a picture of it.
Okay.
I can take pictures of it with this.
Wow, that is so fresh.
That is so cool.
Look at that.
Yeah,
color.
let me see the base. Yeah, it is fresh, isn't it?
Yeah, there's
Still
blood right
bloody.
there.
Yeah.
Sweet. Hopefully the other one is somewhere close.
Yeah, we'll grid this area. That's awesome.
Look at, you can feel how just got that rough.
Yeah.
It's not soft yet or anything.
Just a raghorn.
That's crazy. Yeah,
Good
it's
one.
cute. I like it.
About 5 point.
James
It's
will
about the
love it.
size of my bowl.
No, yours was bigger.
It was it?
I think so.
A little bit, yeah.
It's cool.
Cool.
Let's find the other one.
All right, did some gridding.
I found the pair.
Found the match. Pumped.
I'm
We just,
excited.
his rub was right up there too. That was a fresh
Yep,
rub.
definitely. Yes, my first one ever. James is gonna freak.
He's gonna be so pumped and
know.
jealous.
Yeah.
Okay, pick her up.
Well, he can share it with me.
Oh yeah, definitely a match.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, even the pedicle, the base is turned like this. See how it's not flat? It's like turned over.
Yep.
It's
That is
kinda-
awesome. Holy cow, that was quite a ways away.
Yeah, I can't believe we found the match. We're about 300-400 yards,
Crazy.
but it definitely is.
Woohoo!
2 down low
Yeah,
like that, and then 1. Oh yeah, definitely the match. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Pumped. He must have lost this one first.
Yeah, it looks like
This
it's a
one's
little
real
mess.
bloody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, get us in here.
Oh, wait, let me get the other one in here so you can see him.
There we go. Me and Babe shed hunting together. We're gonna find more. We called in. We were trying to call in bears, and we called in 3 for sure bulls with
No.
nubs coming. So, and I think there were more than that. There were quite a few elk. So we're gonna find more. Here we go.